Unlike in Southern California, where there seems to be a Tesla in every pot, the chances of pulling up next to a Model SP100D here near Malaga in southern Spain are pretty slim. So it's easy to be smart when you're driving a 2018 Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. With its launch control, Porsche says the plug-in hybrid can hit 60 miles per hour from a dead stop in just 3.2 seconds. I'm pretty sure we can take the Porsche Soul to the aging Kia Bonito. From the looks of things we can take everyone. Here, the 86 horsepower Bonito has some balls. Porsche has been in the electric hypercar business for some time, but the going has been slow. The German automaker specs the new hybrid, the 918 Spider hybrid, in 2013. About 1,200 were built. In 2016, Porsche sold just 2,504 hybrid Panameras including in the United States, and it was a 66% increase over the year before. Well, here comes the onslaught. In 2018, Porsche will introduce 6 e-hybrid variants of the all-new Panamera, and a plug-in hybrid variant of the all-new 2019 Paladin is coming. Sitting atop this lineup is the $188,400 Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo, which will hit dealers this spring. The Sport Turismo is the wagon, or shooting brake, version of the Panamera, and it looks fantastic sitting on its 21-inch wheels backed up by standard carbon ceramic brake rotors and piston front calipers, each the size of a small child. Long, low, and wide. Extra wide. Within the small white stucco grills that dot Malaga's filling landscape, the Porsche looks like something from outer space. Or at least from the future. Locals look up from their cigarettes, drop their jaws, turning their heads slowly like Arabian movies, pointing fingers and crying. Women, wearing scarves, reach for their children.